If your files have the extension encrypted, you may have been hit by ransomware like crypt Do not pay the ransom yet. Let's check if a decryptor exists. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's analyze the threat. If the file is truly locked down, we need to bring out the big guns. I have a hidden file viewer that serves as our ultimate solution for encrypted problems. See below for my top choice. An encrypted file signifies that the original file has been subjected to encryption, often as a result of ransomware or security measures. The contents of the file are scrambled using an encryption algorithm, rendering it unreadable without the correct decryption key. The purpose is either malicious extortion, ransomware, or legitimate data protection. The structure of an encrypted file depends on the encryption algorithm used. Ransomware often appends a specific extension or marker to the file name to indicate that it has been encrypted. Security software may use standard encryption formats like AES or RSA. The file header will contain metadata about the encryption method and potentially the decryption key location. The tool most commonly used for creating encrypted files is VeraCrypt, ransomware or security software, by VeraCrypt, cybercriminals or security companies. The proprietary indexing requires careful handling to avoid critical file system errors. Windows cannot open protected content directly, so decoding must occur in appropriate applications. The fastest route to success is testing all the options. Right-click the encrypted file and hit Open With. Use VeraCrypt, ransomware or security software, if installed. If not, choose another program. We must confirm the software handler. If you are still having trouble opening the encrypted file, do not worry. Because the encrypted format is proprietary, simple misconfigurations are common. We need to verify these crucial technical details using our checklist. First, identify encryption tool. Determine the software that was used to encrypt the file, e.g. AxCrypt, VeraCrypt, or Windows EFS. Next, use decryption tool. Open the original encryption software and use the decrypt or open function, providing the correct password or certificate. Finally, check file permissions. Ensure your user account has full read-write permissions to the file and its folder. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When you still fail to open the file, you've hit a genuine format barrier. Your solution is a dedicated tool like FileMagick, which uses advanced inspection techniques to access files that stump common applications. Download it at filemagick.com. If you found the instructions clear, please like the video and subscribe for new content every week.